Gotta go home, guys. It's raining a little bit harder. You ready, MeeMee? For someone who doesn't like the rain, she sure is lollygagging. Taking her sweet time. We should be home like 20 minutes if they keep up with this pace. For 10 minutes if we walk a little faster. But probably 20-25 minutes because MeeMee's strolling and Charlie obviously has to wait for MeeMee. So it's fine though. No. I know you saw that neck bone on the ground. You sure will try to eat it. You hear the doggies over there? Where's the doggies coming from? We're not going in there, pumpkins. We're not going in there.